Sometimes when I'm standing here at the computer, I feel something tugging on my leg. And I look down, and look who it is! Look who it is! It's Declan! Really trying to get me. Declan, what are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? Are you trying to... Oh! Are you trying to climb up my leg? You're trying so hard. I know. Which way, if you grab it that way, will it work? Declan. Declan. What are you doing? Hey. Hey.